How to remove Instagram account from Account Center. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to remove the Instagram account from your account center but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your very Instagram application on your mobile device and then tap on Instagram like this. After you tap on Instagram like this, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon, and after tapping on the profile like icon, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After tapping on the three lines on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of the account center, and here you have to tap on the option of account on the downside. After tapping on the option of the account on the downside, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to remove your very Instagram, you have to tap on the option of remove here, and your very Instagram will be removed. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.